Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. Well, not really. I just did a wellness check, so yeah, haven't been that long. I have my water. I'm always drinking this water, y'all. Ever since I left the hospital, I've been drinking out of this bottle. I need to find another one. Do y'all know where I could find bottles that have measurements on them? Because they come in very handy. And don't say Amazon. But anyway, I'm feeling a lot better this week. No really major changes as of yet. I'm still on meds. I'm going to be on meds for a minute. But the good news is I'm working towards getting off of them. And that's that. So anyway, I wanted to do a subscriber shout out because you guys have been amazing. Obviously and clearly, I'm not going to get to everyone. If you have my phone number, if I could reach you through DMs on Instagram or we speak every now and then, don't be offended if you're not on the list. We already talk. We here. Y'all know I'm already all right. But these are for people that have no contact with me whatsoever. So, let's get into the tea. Where do I want to start? Let's start with Sunday dinner. I just put up a post asking you guys what you had for Sunday dinner. You guys told me all the delicious food you had, asking me how I was doing. I'm doing pretty good. I actually feel a lot better than before the incident happened. I don't know if that makes sense. And that just lets me know that something was definitely wrong with me. Because I feel great. I'm not where the doctors want me to be, but I feel great. As far as how I feel great. I'm not 100%, but I feel great. But anyway, so yeah, what did I have for dinner? We had vegetables and chicken, the usual. So I want to shout out, because this has been on my heart, Mr. J. Rich. I hope you get to see this video, Mr. J. Rich. He's not a YouTuber. He's just someone that's always commenting on my stories and engaging with me. I want to thank you so much for always being encouraging. And as you guys know, I can't respond back to messages on the community page. None of us can. No YouTuber can. They don't allow us to respond. I was responding, but then you guys told me you weren't getting it, so I'm assuming the option is not really an option. So Mr. J. Rich, thank you so much. I see all your comments, and all I can do is hit the heart button. Next, I want to shout out Love Angel. She's always very encouraging, a little funny. You make me laugh. But thank you. I appreciate it. It helps. Naturally Me, thank you so much for your encouraging words as well as engaging on my channel and showing me that, you support me pretty much. Alana. Hey, girl. Hey, Alana. Thank you for engaging and being supportive. Now, as far as health and dieting, one thing a lot of people were suggesting to me, especially this specific person that I'm about to shout out right now, was intermittent fasting. Now, when the situation happened, I don't want to keep bringing it up, but that's the only way I could say it for y'all to understand. When the situation happened, the first thing I thought was I'm going to starve myself till all this weight disappears or whatever. But then I'm like, you know what? I need to get on intermittent fasting. Only for those dreams to be shot to hell because I'm on medicine right around the clock. They all require me eating, or even if it's an apple. So it's like, am I really intermittent fasting if I eat an apple? Or, I don't think it works that way. I have meds 10 a.m., 4 p.m., and 10 p.m. So it's like right around the... I want to recommend Gina Janine. She's also a friend in real life. She's here on YouTube. She does great with explaining intermittent fasting, as well as she lost a lot of weight doing intermittent fasting. So make sure you guys check her out. And that's pretty much it. Shout out to every single person though that support me, that's been encouraging, that's been checking on me. I really appreciate it. You guys know, yes, I have my husband here in Texas, but I literally have no like immediate family members here in Texas. All I have is my husband and his family. So you guys checking on me, you know, it helps. You know, it really helps me a lot. I can't see it yet. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the weight is coming off. What else I wanted to share? I don't want to speak too much on that because I already have this huge, I've been recording y'all like crazy. But don't even worry about that because it ain't coming no time soon. No time soon until 40 more pounds down the line. So don't even worry about that. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being supportive on my channel. Without y'all, I wouldn't have the courage, feel encouraged to keep going. So thank y'all so much. Bye, y'all.